Today we're letting our cats relax and enjoy the great outdoors in the safety of their pop-up cat playpen. Now they can get all the smells and hang out with us while we're outside on the farm or on a camping trip. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you'll need to set up your cat for a fun and safe outside experience too. The hardest part about setup is popping off all the industrial zip ties. Once you get those removed, you can find your travel bag. Inside that, you can find your instructions, a pop-up water bowl, stakes to hold down your playpen, support rods, and then your pop-up tent. That's everything. All you need to do is set it up and grab your cat. But you'll want to make sure to move to the outside so it has room to expand. First, unfold the pop-up playpen. Take out your support rods and connect them together. Slide it into the slot of the playpen so it holds its shape. Continue putting in all the support rods until all the slots are filled and it's structurally sound. Then stake it down to make sure it stays put. Unzip one of the openings and grab your cat. Drop them on in and seal it back up. Now your cat is in the outside, but safe from the outside. Now your cat's safe from the cars in the distance, yet they can still relax in the breeze and enjoy all the new smells. I thought it may stress our cat out being in there, but the second the wind would blow, she would stop and sniff. She actually looked like she was really enjoying herself. So we took her with us camping and let her stay in her playpen. She went with us on hikes and got to relax at the campsite with us while we ate and made some food. She had the night of her life. The playpen also has useful pockets on the side, as well as a water bottle holder. So whether you have cats that would enjoy some outdoor breeze, smaller rascally dogs, or even rabbits, this playpen is perfect and might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go relax with my cat outside, because I can now. See ya.